up, man? Shoes.
How you doing, bro?
Shoes, man.
I like the shop, really nice.
Yeah, we try our hardest. Hey, you know, cleanliness is godliness.
There you go.
What's up, guys? My name is Bobber, and I'm getting my windows tinted 20% all around. As you can see, I tried doing it myself, but I'm not professional like these guys, so let's see how they do. Check it out before it gets tinted.
Clear glass.
It wasn't even a repair, it was more like a uninstall and reinstall. Pretty good stuff, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, they did the first install. Obviously it didn't come out that good. And then we did the second install, and things are coming up to par, so winning.
You're not gonna take your front windows?
No, I'm doing my front.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the backs look amazing.
Yeah, right?
Way better.
This guy's the man.
Way better than my job. Alright guys, just got done. Here's the final product. Huge shout out to Winning Window Tints. They hooked me up. This looks amazing. Like, my car is gonna look like a bat cave inside. Like, the back window's all fixed up. You see that? My mistakes. They fixed my mistakes. Don't try it on your own. Leave it to the pros. They're way better. If you want, check out my YouTube channel. It's BEAKHAN. Can't wait to drive it. But now, check this out.